Hey, where's Daddy? Oh my gosh, where's Daddy? Oh my gosh, where's Daddy? Oh no. Oh, guys, Dad? He said, you're not Daddy. You're Daddy. Daddy, but where's brother? Brother's coming. Hey, sorry guys, I didn't came that fast because I'm spicy. Hi Daddy. I wanna go to the house. I'm freezing. Okay. Back. Guess nobody hit us. Oh my god, you guys heard that? I heard it. I think it's zombies. I think I just want to go to my house. You know what? I'm just gonna go in here. It's done. Okay, kids. I'm gonna hide somewhere. You guys hide there. Come on, kids. Okay, I'll get in. Oh no, there's no space. Kimberly, there's no space. Oh no, I can't. I'm squished. Oh, now I can't. I know it. You get out, and we're gonna stay here. What? That sounds like a good idea to me. Wow. Get in. What? Why? Why? How could you guys? There's no space, so it's for us. So, yeah. But, the flashlight is on. Turn it on, please. Turn it on. It's more better. Okay, I'll go here. This is a fun, dark thing. I cannot breathe. Oh no, there's no more space. Ooh. Now who got busted? Ha 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 ha. I'm okay, because I'm going to go with Daddy in a good place. So, yeah. Thank you for being polite. Yeah, I love this sister. Guys, welcome. I just don't like people that are bully like her. She's so bully. I'm not bully because you guys didn't let me in. So yeah, because we didn't have a room because of him. That's why. Now I'm alone. Thank you guys for helping me, but no. No, there's space. Look it. No, there's not. Stop being nice to her. There is, so shut up. Thank you, brother. Can't breathe. I'm too small. There's space, but I can't breathe. So thank you, guys. Not you. I'm gonna make you slime. I'm not gonna make you slime. I'm gonna do another video. See who did it. Well, can I make it with you? No, I'm gonna make it with brother. Right? Oh yeah, you told me last year, so yeah. Let's just keep on going before it comes. Oh no, it's coming. We have to hide before it comes. Oh no. I'm so scared. Hurry, somebody, please. I'm just gonna get in here. He's not gonna find me in here too. Okay, I'm gonna make a shed. Bippity, boppity, boop! Oh my god! I told it here, not there. Oh well, we have to make a house fast. Done. That's your little shed. Done. And our house is here where we sleep as well, right? This is where we step. Done. Oh no, we have to keep on going before it comes. Now I have to go to here. Cover it with the... I'll go with you too. Give me some. Oh no, he hurt me. Did he? Yes. Now let's be quiet. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, there's something. I'm scared. Are you guys fine? I am, but not probably. I am as well. Oh, well, we're all fine, so yeah. But the castle will be over there. It's not. Okay.